Hi, this is Star White of Star White Reviews, and I'd like to welcome you to my 15 seconds profit review. And at any time, feel free to subscribe and click the like button. And at any time, if you feel you want this program, you can just hit the link below this video. And this is a brand new way actually to get YouTube views, build your list, and get buyers. And it's a 177 a day using a 15 seconds free buyer traffic loophole, then duplicate her exact results without spending a dime. And this is really, really neat. It's really new and it's a new concept and I really like it, so I hope you do. Plus, it's going to come with a big mega bonus. So make sure you get your bonus before the timer runs down, because when the timer runs down, the bonuses will be removed. So we're going to go ahead and look over here at the actual sales page of 15 seconds, 15 miracle 15-second traffic hack revealed. Watch a complete newbie bank 171 a day using a 15 seconds free buyer traffic loophole, then duplicate her exact results in mere seconds without spending a dime. And I mean, this is really new. I went through all the um, training and everything, and I love this thing. So specifically made for beginners, which is true because anybody could use this. I went through the whole thing, backed up by real case studies. This is true. It does work. All-in-one solution, yes, and it's really, like I said, unbelievably easy. Unlimited buyer traffic in 15 seconds. That also can happen. It's true. And no further investments in that. So and a 30-day money back guarantee. So let's go look at there's oodles and oodles of stuff on this page. So we're gonna let you look through this on your own time because this is really an in-depth. There is so much information on this page, it would just take too long for me to go through all this. So you guys can go ahead and go through all this. So let's go ahead and go look at first of all, let's stop here for a minute. I really don't know how to pronounce her name. Tar, I suppose. I hope that's right, Ektar. Anyway, she does all the videos for this training, and she is awesome, and she does a really, really great job. So don't be afraid that you can't understand her. She talks some really good English, and she really gets the point across of what to do. Let's go look at the bonuses. Okay, mega bonus is going to be, well, let's go through the regular bonuses first. So we're back over here on my bonus page, and all you have to do to get these bonuses is click on any of these links. That'll take you over to the main page, which I have now lost. The main page, which are over here, and then you just click on any of their links there, and then you'll go ahead and get your bonuses. So let's go look at the one that's on here because I didn't really put everything on the same page. Okay, I'm going to give you, it's called High Ticket Hero. Free access, proven method training that will help any newbie to generate high ticket sales for free. And this is actually a 777.95 bonus, and you're going to get that. And then I have some more for you. So we're going to go over here to my bonus page because I couldn't fit this all on here, and I really wanted to give you guys a great bonus. So um, all the top stuff here you can read out on your own. And I'm going to give you access to High Ticket Hero, which is a great training program. I'm going to give you access to 300 CPA every day free, which is another great program on how to use CPA. Eclipse free access has great training. Intersync with Trevor Carr, really good training in here for anybody starting out, or even if you're not starting out. I learned a lot of new stuff from him. 0 Hour Work Beats, which is training from Brendan Mace, which is really an awesome program also. And give you free access to all those. Plus, you're going to get free access to Instant Traffic Jacker, who is by Glenn Kowski, who is a 7-figure earner. And this is really awesome. It does a great job of explaining it and how to get the traffic and everything else. And Commission Glitch is all about commissions, and this is a great offer too. And that is also by Glenn Kowski. Plus, I'm going to give you Glenn Kowski's info product vault access to 17 very best selling products put together by Glenn and his team. Each product details a variety of generation, includes, well, we're not going to read all these, you guys. You can go through all these on your own too. 500 CPA everyday, CPA coffee shop, 200 cash hack, CPA traffic japper, cash magnet, cash mission glitz, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commission. And there's a little more in this one. That's why that one's in there twice. Okay, and now we move down to I'm going to give you commission toolbox, pure profit payday, 100 piece CPA payday, commission profit hack, instant traffic jacket, commission magnet, commission blueprint, and you can get access to all of them totally free. Free access to Simplicity, which is social media audience builder software that's done for you, and this was also done by Trevor Carr, and this is a really great program. A full access to Gateway, advanced training, and YouTube ranking. This is done by Trevor Carr. He does an awesome job, and he's making a lot of money right now. So I would definitely watch that if you get this. Full access to iPassive YouTube training here in iPassive YouTube, and this is also from Trevor Carr. And I wouldn't miss his training. He does an excellent job, and you're going to learn a lot. Free access to 0 Hour Workdays, which is also Brendan Mays, and free access to IntraSync, which is also Trevor Carr, which he does, like I said, a great job. So going to get this mega bonus plus the one bonus that was on the front of my bonus page. That's this one right here. So you're going to get all that for just even purchasing just the front end of this one program. So we're going to go look at it right now. Okay, this is the lady, and she is so sweet. She does a great job. This is the overview. And what this actually does, it just makes a major difference in videos, YouTube presenting the new system, and intro to why YouTube Shorts, about YouTube Shorts, why YouTube Shorts are even more present, and similarities between regular YouTube and why YouTube Shorts, difference between YouTube and YouTube Shorts, YouTube Shorts versus TikTok versus Instagram, examples of channels with YouTube Shorts, benefits of YouTube Shorts, do's and don'ts, and faceless YouTube Shorts. This is just a really, really awesome. She does a great job going through this whole thing, theoretical, practical, and plus there's a welcome video and how to make 43,000 in 7 days. But she does a great job explaining all this, and this will not be saturated. You will have the advantage of being the first to use this after new system, plus its potential is limitless. Get all the important information now to make this happen for you, because this is a brand new thing. YouTube is presenting a new system actually that a lot of people don't even know about, and we can be the first ones to get in on this. So I would definitely get this. I would think it's worth every dollar, really. So I know I'm going to get it. So this is the sales page, like I said. And all you have to do is click on any of their links that say get instant access now or anything. After you come off my page, go to the link below this video. Just click on any of these links. Go from this link over to the buyer's page. That'll come up. And then you just click on any of these to buy it to get all your bonuses. So, what is 15 seconds all about? Profit Warrior will teach you how to earn commissions with the help of secret traffic source. This is virtually untapped and has unlimited buyer traffic potential. You have the ability to get traffic in seconds. And this is true because I checked it out. No mailing list. You don't need a mailing list. This is awesome. Social media experience or a product of development necessary. And what this can do for you. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Unlimited buyer traffic you can convert into sales, crazy converting offers, one-click scaling to explode your results, and this is really good too. Your all-exclusive traffic and commission solution, and this is true. I love YouTube. YouTube gets you traffic, and it's free. So why not learn how to do this? Experience lightning fast commissions and explosion of traffic. All right, so now let's go through what the price is. The front end is $12.95. So even if you just get the front end, you're going to get all of these bonuses I showed you, that this mega bonus just for purchasing the front end. So how awesome is that? And it's only what, $12.95, and you're going to get like $6,000 worth of bonuses. This is a no-brainer here. Okay, pro version. Get advanced training, proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert higher. Actually, if it was me, I would get this advanced training. because it's just going to make you're going to convert more. You're going to make more money, and it just makes sense. And they do a really good job. They're done for you, money makers. I don't know. That's up to you if you want to get that. I like to make my own stuff, but that's basically up to you. Basically, plug in. You cut the work time 10 times start even faster. But I kind of like to make my own stuff. And if you don't make your own stuff, you don't learn anything. The unlimited traffic allows customers to put their pixels on your sales page. This is a good thing. Pixels on your sales pages. The way the pixels work, they pick up other people's traffic where it's been, and then you have the ability to actually email their buyers. So this is really, really a smart move here for this. And coaching, um, this is our exclusive coaching platform, included live weekly calls for an entire year. In addition, members join the exclusive mastermind and more on the fly coaching and networking. And I believe this coaching is by Philip. Can't remember Philip's name. Anyway, he's becoming quite a guru right now. He's and started out with nothing. So he's very honest. He tells you exactly how it is. He he does a good job. And I do have some of his training and I really like him. So Um, I would get that if I felt I could afford it. So, okay, so we're going to get all the bonuses. This is what this app can actually do for you. And like I said, in my eyes, the $15 you're going to get, $15, $12.95. You're going to get all these bonuses for that. Like I said, you're getting like over $4,000, $6,000 worth of bonuses. So, I mean, that's a big deal. Plus the other ones that I showed you. And like I said, she does a super, super, super nice job. So go ahead before the timer runs down, click the link below the video. Please click the subscribe and the like button. And I'll see you on the next one. And thank you so much for visiting me.